Hey guys, Funk Roberts here with another over 40 shred workout for men. Let me guess, a body weight workout, over 40 shred. Get it done.
Not cool, man. Not cool.
No, see, I do it better.
Hey guys, Funk Roberts from over40shred.com, and today I'm here with my wife, Angela, and we're gonna bring you an over 40 workout, bodyweight workout for men and women, of course, men and women. Listen, there's a couple guys who've commented and said they'd like to see my wife train with me, and we also train together. So I think today we're gonna put together an awesome 6-exercise circuit, bodyweight only, that if you can do it with your wife, you can do it with your significant other, or you can do it by yourself, doesn't matter. But again, it's a workout anyone can do, but we've really designed this for people over 40 because again, body weight, metabolic, so you're gonna burn fat and burn calories during and after, and you're gonna get some strength too. Now, the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna show you each exercise, but there's gonna be 2 variations, because there's different levels of people. There's people who are 40, 50, 60 who can do one variation. There's others who haven't trained in a while but still want to start moving. So we're going to show you both variations. Now, how this is set up, it's 6 exercises. You're going to do each exercise for 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds rest, one after the other. Once you're done, you're going to rest for 2 minutes and then repeat for 3 rounds. Now, if you're just new to this, then maybe you'll only do 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds rest. So there's different ways you can do it, different levels. We're trying to make it so that more people can do this exercise and this workout, all right? So again, I'm done talking. We're gonna show you this bodyweight only workout. Angela and I are gonna do it together, 6 exercises. Let's get it done. For this workout, you're doing 6 exercises. You're gonna perform each exercise for 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds rest, one after the other, with no rest in between. After you've done all 6 exercises, rest for 2 minutes and repeat for 3 rounds. You can also do this for 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds rest, depending on what level you're at. Are you guys ready? Let's get it done. Our first exercise are burpees. As you can see, there's 2 variations, one with the jump and one without. Also, we're not going all the way down because we're gonna be doing push-up variation later. But again, we wanna explode, so we jump back, keep the core tight, legs are spread out, and then as we come up, we jump right up into a burpee and then come back down. If you're going to the other variation that Angela's doing, then you just stand back up, squeeze the glutes to the top, and get it done. Our next exercise are what we call Wonder Womans or Supermans. So again, we're moving more to the back and the rhomboids. So with Angela, you can see she's got this W swimming type movement, and you can also focus on the rhomboid. With myself, it's just a Superman. So I'm raising both my arms and legs at the same time, just for a second, and bring him down, raising him up for the same time, and then bring him down. Next exercise, we're doing circular crunches or just regular crunches. Now, the regular crunches that we're doing, we're not coming all the way up. We're actually slightly coming off the ground. So they're like McGill crunches. And then circular crunch, as you can see, Angela's moving in a circular movement. So in round 1, you may go one way, and then round 2, you go the opposite direction. But again, we're hitting the abs, all regions of the abs. Next exercise are push-ups. So Angela's doing a push-up variation that you can see that her arms are a little bit closer to her lower body, so the triceps are doing most of the work. I, on the other hand, am doing a wide grip. Wide grip's a little bit easier. The one that Angela's doing is a lot tougher. So again, you would want to exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down, and really focus on keeping the core tight. Our next exercise, we're doing jumping lunges and reverse lunges. So the easier version is a reverse lunge, a lot less strain on the joints, but a really good version. Make sure your core's tight and your body's tall and you're pushing off with the front leg. And the jumping, as you can see, it's more explosive. So you're jumping and changing your legs each round, each exercise. And finally, we have mountain climbers. So again, I'm doing mountain climbers, which is a little bit easier. Angela's doing what we call Everest climbers. So you can see her legs are coming, or her foot comes right beside her hand. So again, a lot more hip movement involved. Whereas in the other way, it's just straight up, knees to the chest, going as fast as you can. Very metabolic, but very good as well. Get it done. So there you have it, guys. An awesome total bodyweight workout that you can do at home, at the gym, outside, what have you. And you can also do it with your significant other, which makes it great. And plus, we made it so that there's different variations of each exercise. So, if you can't do the jumping, you just want to stay on the ground, absolutely joint friendly. For those who are a little bit more advanced, you can do the advanced version too. But it's all about being efficient, time efficient, and getting as much work as you can get done in a short period of time for your whole body. That's what we have to do when we're over 40. We don't have time to stay in the gym for 60 minutes. Anyways, if you like that workout, then click the link somewhere. There's an eye gonna pop up on this page. That's gonna take you to a 1 week free Kickstart Over 40 program for men. Unfortunately, the women, it's coming soon, don't worry. And like I always say, guys, you wanna train hard, you wanna train smart, you wanna be positive, stay outside your comfort zone, try to make yourself 1% better. Make sure you like this, subscribe, leave your comments below. Let me know how you did. Let me know how you and your wife, or you and your husband, or you and your significant other did. And finally, if you like that workout, click that video right there and you'll see another one. Anyways, I'm Funk, this is Mrs. Funk. Get it done.